How many legs does a centipede have? Not easy. I'll give you 10 seconds. Answer. No one knows for sure. It varies. Between 30 and 300, but not 100. How many legs does a kangaroo have? Easy for some. 5 seconds. Answer. A kangaroo has 4 legs. Next one is harder.
How many legs does a butterfly have? This is harder. You've got 5 seconds. Answer. A butterfly has 6 legs.
How many legs does a millipede have? This is much harder. You've got 10 seconds. Answer. Again, it varies. Between 34 and 400, not 1,000.
How many legs does a honeybee have? This is harder. You've got 5 seconds. Answer. A honeybee has 6 legs. How did you go on that one? How many legs does a crab have? This is super hard. Get this and you've done well. You've got 5 seconds. Answer. A crab has 10 legs.